Facebook Live. Out of context, Facebook video
We've looked at 5 different ways to earn money completely on Facebook, meaning you don't have to leave Facebook or ask anyone to do anything off of Facebook. However, the 6th way, which I'm collectively combining a bunch of other different ways to earn money off of Facebook into one way, because there's 5 things you can do on Facebook and one more thing you can do on Facebook, which is to ask people to go off of Facebook to do something else. Therefore, 6 ways directly on Facebook to earn. All of the things I'm about to mention are ideas for things you can set up to make additional money from gaming live on Facebook, and then asking people, hey, if you'd like to buy this course, read this book, will you go to my website, Amazon page, whatever, to then make additional money that way. And I think when you combine all of these together, you've got a really good opportunity to do gaming on Facebook full time, because right now I'm seeing an incredible amount of reach, incredible amount of post engagements, video views, new followers, page views, actions on page. All of the data looks really good right now for gaming on Facebook. And when you're gaming on Facebook and you've built an audience and you've got a community, that community will want to buy and do more things with you. First, I'll show you my income and my data, because I like to know, all right, where is this guy coming from? Do you actually know and do this stuff yourself, or what are we working with here? So this is my income for 2017. I'm grateful my business online made $223,000 in income, $115,000 in net income. That means before tax income. So if I had a salaried job, that number would be similar. Technically, with Social Security, it'd probably be a little higher compared to the final paycheck I got. But anyway, we're looking, that's essentially the before tax income before the IRS gets their massive cut of that. And then we'll go and show you the current year also. That's last year. This year so far, $212,000 in income, and so far in October, $110,000 in profit, on pace to pass last year. Therefore, you can see for me that these ways to make money off of Facebook for me are the primary way I'm earning money so far. Now, I imagine for 2019 that the Facebook gaming, the ways on Facebook, will be comparable, if not greater than the rest of all of the things I'm doing offline at the rate the Facebook gaming is growing. That said, it's really nice if you want to have your own business online full time to have multiple streams of income set up. And what we'll do now is cover a lot of different things you can learn more about to get multiple streams of income set up. One of the most basic things to do is get a Streamlabs donation link set up where people can make donations directly to you on Streamlabs. When you give stars on Facebook, when those stars come in, you have to be a member of the Level Up Creator program to get stars. And Facebook has a net 60 payout, meaning it can take a couple of months between the time someone buys stars and the time I actually receive them. Meanwhile, on Streamlabs with PayPal and Stripe, I can get the money immediately. If someone goes and donates $20 with Streamlabs on PayPal, I get the money immediately in my PayPal account, which is really nice. And then I deal with the customer directly. That means if you use Streamlabs to make a donation to me, and then for some reason you get pissed off at me, you come to me and get your refund without having to go through Facebook and get a refund from them. This way, the amount of difference is small in the donation. There's just a PayPal fee, whereas sometimes on Facebook you can pay $1.99 for 95 cents worth of donations to the streamer. Therefore, Streamlabs is, I recommend, definitely get this set up and at least have this as an option. If for some reason you lose access to get the ability to receive stars, some of your viewers will still keep donating. Like I donated to a guy, I think he lost his support button for some reason, and I used his Streamlab link. So this is the first key thing to get set up. This is the easiest to set up, and there's lots of other little alerts, and in the video course I've got a full thing just on Streamlabs by itself. Now once you've got Streamlabs set up, then the number 2 thing I recommend is get your own website. If you want to be doing your own business full-time online, if you want to be making $100 a day streaming on Facebook, you definitely need your own website. Your own website is your primary destination where people can come and find anything else about you. Anything else you do, anything else you want to sell, anything else you want to share, you can put all of it on your website. And that's what I do. JerryBanfield.com now is my main destination. If you're not on some third-party platform, it's where I rally everyone from everywhere else. From Facebook, go to my website. YouTube, go to my website. Twitch, Twitter, go to my website. And the nice thing is, my website is the only place where I actually have full control. On Facebook, on YouTube, on Twitch, on Twitter, on all these third-party platforms, then you are subject to tons of their terms and conditions. While on your own website, you've got a lot more freedom and flexibility. I'm not saying you should be hella sketchy just because you've got your own website, but on your own website, you really want people to go to your own website. That's where you can help build deeper relationships with people. And when you've got people on your own website, when you've got traffic coming to your website, there's just infinite opportunities then to earn money there. And for me, that's where I've earned the most of my money, is through a function of having my own website, either by sending people on YouTube through my website to then buy a course or a product. And if you want to have audiences in multiple places like YouTube and Facebook, a good rallying point is on a website. The beauty is your website can then pull additional traffic by itself. My website gets hundreds of people that come to it for free every single day, and my website itself has a lot of things that are worth sharing. I've got a page for gaming on my website, specifically at jerrybanfield.com/gaming. Then I put this in my videos, and then people can come straight and get all the links, see how to join my friends list. I've got affiliate marketing, an email list, and video courses. The number 1 way I've found to make money online is to sell video courses. And you'll see these video courses directly on my website here. Video courses give the greatest ratio of time you put into it versus the amount of money people will pay for it. I make a course often. I can do an entire course from start to finish in just a few hours, put it up there, charge $180 for it, and people actually buy it. Now that's a really good ratio of time I put in to amount of money I get out. And the reason people buy it is we are conditioned as human beings to pay for education. Education is also really valuable. Some of the best money I've spent has been on my own self-education, buying video courses, audiobooks, and learning how to do things. When you do live streaming, you're automatically used to filming, you're used to talking. Making a video course is a very easy and natural step to take. For example, if you've got a big audience on Facebook, and you don't even need to have a big audience. That's what's great when you can sell a course, like something like I've got this Start Streaming today. I've got a complete live streaming course, Facebook ads. And if you go to my courses link over here at u.jerrybanfield.com, then you'll see the fully updated list, all my courses. I've got then lifetime bundles. I've got even a coaching bundle for almost $1,000. You don't even need that many people to follow you, because if even a very small fraction of people want to buy a video course from me, you can see it's pretty easy to earn $100,000 a year profit when I'm able to sell video courses for $180 or a course bundle for $297 or a lifetime partner. I mean, in order for me to make $100,000 a year, I need 100 people to buy a lifetime partner. Now, when you look at how big of an audience you can get on Facebook and you consider the amount of money you make, you can see that finding 100 people to buy a lifetime partner, that seems pretty doable over the course of an entire year. Or in this case, 1,000 people to buy my all courses for life bundle, I'd make $297,000 from that, and I have very low costs related to that. That's why teaching video courses that's the main way I've made money online, is teaching video courses. It's also a very logical value proposition for the student. You buy a video course, you know what you're going to get. You're going to get videos that are packaged into a course. And what I do with my video courses, like this newest course, Master Facebook Live Gaming in FB.GG, I offer a one-on-one call in it. That way, it's not just the videos you're getting, because there's websites where you can just put all kinds of your videos on and you can get the courses there for really cheap. I've got a clear value proposition here that makes it unique and special just to working with me. Then you get the one-on-one call where you can ask and get answers to very specific questions. I know I've paid as much as $497 to get a video course where the main thing that converted me on it was a one-on-one call with the instructor. Even though there were only 2 or 3 videos I watched in the course, I still have not used the one-on-one call yet. I like knowing that I've got credit for the one-on-one call. Therefore, selling video courses is the #1 way I recommend to pair up your live streaming and gaming with being able to make some really good money on your own website. And I recommend have it on your own website because you can keep your website for life. Then you can do all these other different ways to make money. And I'll go deeper into doing something besides video course. If you want to find out exactly what you need to do video courses and your own website and your own business, I've got all of it at jerrybanfield.com/resources. I've got the web hosting, I've got the exact studio camera, I've got the microphone, I've got the accounting software, I've got the exact video course hosting that I use in this online course hosting. I've got all the stuff you need on this one page to do your own business based on selling your own video courses. I appreciate you watching this, and if you'd like to learn more about exactly what to use, will you please visit jerrybanfield.com/resources, because you will love how much time and energy you save looking at all of this stuff, researching it, signing up maybe for some of these, compared to how I learned to do this the hard way.
Facebook Live Gaming. How to monetize Facebook videos. Video 4.